See they roots going crazy. They ready. They plant me now. Plant me now. Yeah, this is just me showing y'all the intro, how it went down, how everything started. Me planting a few seeds, seeing what I wanted to plant. But yeah. Look at that watermelon. And she, look. Lettuce bed. I think it's some basil and some other stuff in there. She was super thirsty. I'm waiting on her to bounce back, see what she do. Oh, look at them peppers, man. Look at these peppers busting. Potatoes, I'm gonna have to rebury them. I reburied them 2 days ago, bro. We got some, I think some lettuce and some other stuff busting in here. What? Pineapple, some more greens and lettuce and stuff. I got some more tomatoes down here. Sage busting. What's that? Sweet potatoes. Some more tomato. I just hit her with a lot of water. She was dehydrated just like Shorty over there. Had them starving a little bit because the soil wet, man. I've been relearning about soil and all the different techniques and methods and trying new stuff. So I've been, learning and seeing how far I can push stuff, seeing how far I can't push stuff. So it's been going up, man. I just gave them some nutrients today and a good little watering. So we finna see how they finna look, how everything finna bust, how everything finna take that little nutrients. I ain't giving nothing too crazy, but we finna see what's finna go up, how they finna expand, how they finna drink. I don't like that leaf either. I want her gone too. We don't do that disease. We healthy, green, and lean around here. Look at that corn. I'm gonna have to transplant these boys. Well, I just threw them in there, see if they, them boys shot up. Like, yeah, we're here. We're here. Yeah, transplanted a little tomato. Seeing how she come back. Got some motor transplant too. I got them sitting in the water right here. See they roots going crazy. They ready. They plant me now. Plant me now. But I gotta free up some space for them and everything. But it's going up, man. It's going up, man. We'll show y'all the update. Look at these beetles right here, bro. They be all through these little plants. Got some more potatoes. Them just got reburied too. You see, popping back out. There's a few things in here. I ain't gonna lie. I think that's the apple tree growing. Some lettuce. It's all types of stuff in there. But yeah, that raised garden busting. It's starting to grow. I transplanted a tomato with some other batch of tomatoes. So we're gonna see how that goes. See if I'm gonna have to pick them out. Probably gonna have to pick them out, replant them, but I ain't tripping. But yeah, it's going up, and it's going up, skis. Made the little homemade. Come on, man.